This morning we have a happiness expert with thoughts on how to really look 7 years younger, and all I thought it took, Sophie, was less eyeliner. We'd like to welcome back the creator of HowHappyIs.com, Sophie Keller. Welcome back.
Thank you very much, Jessica. Very good, thank you.
You're happy.
She's very.
Well, she told a really cute story about your 8-month-old.
Yes.
And stuff like that helps, right?
Yes, it does. It definitely does help. And the things that I'm actually going to talk about today are not the usual things, not the cosmetic sort of enhancements,
right,
the Botox, etc. They're sort of more longer, more lasting ways to look younger.
Okay, your first tip, you say release built-up anger. We've been told before that anger will age you. So you need to get rid of it in your life.
Well, I mean, like all unexpressed negative emotions, something like anger, which is very, very physical, if it builds up inside of you, can cause a tightening of the jaw, it can cause sort of the tightening of the face, and then all sorts of diseases within the body. If you think about when you're actually angry, Michaela, and the force and the power of it when it's outside, then you imagine that energy sort of not coming out, but running rampant riot around your body and then building up over time. It's very, very important that you express your anger. And there are many ways of doing that. Let's say, you know, it's built up over time. You can sort of think about what the issue is that you're angry about. You can go to the gym, do a kickboxing class. You can hit the bed with a pillow. You can do all sorts of things. Obviously, speaking to the person is really important. But remember, when you speak to that person, that you're reacting to the memory rather than the actual incident, if it's past, if it's happened. Simmer down a little, you know, just realize that they may have a totally different experience of
it. Sophie, so focus on what you have, not what you don't have. That's probably a good tip.
Well, look, a lot of people think every day, what do I not have? I don't have a house, I don't have a relationship, I don't have this, I don't have a job. But that causes an enormous amount of frustration, and you can really see that on someone's face. But, you know, it's almost suspending happiness. You know, when I have this, then I can do this, and then I can be happy. What would happen if you are happy already and come from that place? Because we are human beings. We are not human doings, and we are not human
That's
happens.
really interesting what you just said, human doings. Okay, your next tip is you say to enhance spirituality, and that's a hard thing for some people. There are some people that don't really, I don't know, pay attention to their spiritual health.
Right, I agree with that. But, you know, to have a sense that you're guided, especially as we're going through obstacles in life, and you have to remember that there are always going to be obstacles. You can never get rid of obstacles, but it's how you go under, through, and around them that makes the difference. Now, if you go with the sense of being guided through your life, that worry that constantly can come up of what might happen next, you know, what's in the future, etc., can sort of disappear because you know they're going to be obstacles. You just have a sense that, okay, I'm here on this planet to learn, to grow, this is part of the human experience. And I want to tell you one thing. There is an addiction, which is not drink, not drugs, not anything like that. And the biggest addiction that we have is to worry. Right?
Yeah,
Wake up in the morning, worry about this, that, the other, and
you know what? We have to have
you
back just to talk about worry, because we could do that for
We'll have a worry hour.
I know, right? For more information on happiness expert Sophie Keller and her 5 tips, actually 7 tips. Well, she has many tips. 5 tips on how to look 7 years younger. Go to KTLA.com. Sophie, thank you so much for spending time and helping us to try and find our balance.